In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted project in Canva. If you've accidentally removed a project and you need to bring it back, don't worry. Canva makes this process fairly simple, and in just a few moments, you can restore your file and continue working on it. I'll walk you through the exact path to find it, so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Canva on your device and make sure you're on the main home screen. This is where you can access all of your designs, folders, and saved content. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the next step. If not, sign into your account first so your projects are available. Once you're inside Canva, head to the Projects section. This area is where Canva stores the work associated with your account, including designs and other saved items. Opening projects helps you narrow things down and takes you to the place where you can manage your content more easily. After that, go to Trash. The Trash section holds projects that have been deleted but not permanently removed. This is important because if your project was recently deleted, there's a good chance it's still sitting here and can be recovered. Take a moment to look through the items in the trash and find the project you want to restore. If you have many files, move carefully so you don't select the wrong one. When you find the correct project, select it and confirm the Restore option. Canva will then move that project out of trash and place it back into your active projects. After restoring it, you can return to your projects area and check that it's back where it belongs. From there, you can open it, edit it, or organize it however you like. As a quick tip, if you're restoring multiple files, make sure you double-check each project title before confirming. This can help prevent mistakes and save time later. It's also a good idea to restore projects as soon as you notice they're missing, since content in trash may not stay there forever depending on the platform's retention rules. And that's it. Open Canva, go to Projects, open Trash, then select the project you want to restore and confirm the restore. It's a short process, but knowing exactly where to go can make it much easier when you need to recover something important.